We're just coming through Murrindindi now. Following Brendan on his 2021 V-Strom 650. It's a very nice looking bike. I'll tell you what, he gets along alright on it. Bloody hard to keep up with. He had a very nice DR650 and yeah, he said it was a great bike, but he'd be just in pain after riding it all day, so bought himself a V-Strom and he's loving it. Ride all day, no problems. Just done all nice easy dirt roads today. It's been really good, give me a good chance to test out my suspension, got a good feel for the bike. I'm keen to do some harder stuff and see how it handles it and see how that extra ground clearance helps. But at the moment I'm just happy to get a feel for it. This looks pretty wet. We're all good, I think. Looks a bit loose. Oi. Oh, that Black Widow exhaust sounds nice. Oh man. That's a stunning place to ride through here. Just coming from Murrindindi into Toolangi. Hurry up. This stuff's interesting. But why am I going offline? I'll look up and Brendan's drifting off to the side too. Wow. Oh, that is not nice. Should stand up. That feels a bit better. The bike's wobbling around under me, but it's fine. Oh, top her off again. He wants me to go in front. Oh, I can do that. We've got here a bit of loose gravel, mid-corner, nice. Some more freshly graded track. The bike is going like this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's the end of the road. Oh, where was that track I was thinking of? Don't know. Oh. Oh man, that was fun. Righto, I've got to wait up for the other guys now. It's been a fantastic day out. Thanks a lot, Brendan, for organising and leading the way. It was really good. Nice easy roads, good to test out my suspension, get a feel for the bike, and it felt great. Yeah, old Africa twin shocks working really well. Very happy with it. And my extended front end.